everybody, it's Laura from Day by Day in Our World, and today Jay and I are going to go through and unbox this wonderful box. We've got Lakeshore Learning. If you're not familiar with them, they have a lot of fun ways for kids to learn, and it's not just for teachers to order. Although we do homeschool, and so this is stuff that's going to be used for summer fun and for homeschooling, and we'll see if he even remembers what he helped pick. Okay. So it's kind of nice, they tell you right here on the outside what's in your box. You ready? Oh, hold it up, let's see what it is. Okay, we've got a young scientist chemistry lab. Discover the magic of chemistry in action. So with this, they've got bubbles, ooze, doing a rocket ball, jelly worms, ooh, that sounds interesting, a glowing ice sphere, rocket fuel foam, and they give you all, calm down, all the stuff in here, all the instructions, all the parts. And I know I just talked to, this is ages 5 and up, I just talked to a few homeschool moms with elementary kids that they're very intimidated by everything, and these kits make it fun to do science. Oh, what's the next thing? Okay, so this is something Jake has been asking for a long time. A real working cash register. It's a great way to teach them about money and how to make change. Something that when I go to stores and the cash register is not working properly, some of the people there have no idea how to make change on their own. And since they now have a thing to do credit card payment, because that's something that's very popular now. So this is everything in there. And the final package. Ooh. Create a chain reaction. This is another one that's from your STEM. Really everything here is from STEM. So with this one, create a chain reaction, pre-K through grade 2. It's an engaging kit to help them learn about ramps, pendulums, hammers, and more. And here's all the parts. So we'll be sharing how much fun all of this is a little bit later. Thanks. Hi, it's Laura from Day by Day in Our World. I'm here with Jay, and we shared about how we had 3 different things come in our house from Lakeshore Learning. The first thing we're going to open up and see what everything is included in the box is this real working cash register. And I'll get it started for Jay. Okay. Oh. Okay, they have it wrapped in plastic to protect it for shipping. Hold it up. So here we've got the cash register. Looks like a calculator pad almost. What does this say?
On, see, off, open.
Okay, so open, and there, what do we have?
Some dollar bills and some coins.
Okay, so coins, which you'll learn to sort. Instructions. And, oops. And a
Credit card that you can write your name right here.
okay, and the bills that they did, they say Lakeshore School Money, United States of America, which if you ever run out, you could make up your own. Put your child's picture on or whatever, and just make sure it's the right size that you want to do.
You can write your name right here.
They could sign on there, which I don't think we're going to right now.
You can do that.
help sort?
7.
Can you help sort the coins?
Okay.
Let's find all the pennies first. So this is a great chance to teach your child when they use a cash register how they sort them. They do show in illustrations here. We're going to put all the pennies in the far right. Then what comes next? What's worth more money than pennies? The next one.
Dimes.
Oh, actually before the dimes. What's less than a dime but more than a penny?
Nickel.
Nickel, which is how many cents? 5 cents. Dimes are the same as 10 cents. And then what's the other coin that's there?
Can't remember. Quarter.
A quarter, which are worth 25.
Is this a quarter?
Yep, so quarters go all the way to the left. And they show you right here on the box how to do it.
And for the money, 1 cent.
$1.
$5, $10.
Absolutely.
Fun. What fun.
So this could be a great way not just to teach them the value of money, but also, you know, some people talk about setting up a reward system for the kids for doing work and giving them free money.
And it's fun work.
Well, this could be very fun work. But giving them money and they have to pay you. So, you know, you can use the play money, keep accounts however you want, and have it be part incentive too. So now for the bills, they're already stacked in order. So we've got dollar bills go.
$1.
And $5 bills, can you put those in to the $5 spot? And actually they have 10s and 20s in here, but they only have space for 3. So
We'll
the
put
10s
the
and
10s.
20s can go together in the last one.
And then I'm still storing mine.
Nickels, 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 and nickels.
The rest are dime and
The rest are dimes. So they all go in the dime spot.
No, that was nickel.
Okay.
But where do you put the credit card?
Well, the credit card you can just store in here when you're not using it. So they do give you some ideas for dramatic play and for math. So, you know, get them used to counting, doing simple addition. You can put price tags on things in your house and have them ring it up and pay for it at the cash register and stuff. And that's the real working cash register, which I have a feeling I'll be hearing ding, ding, ding for quite a while today. Alright, so this is the next thing that Jay picked out. Is the Young Scientist Chemistry Lab. 6 experiments, everything you need, including cards for how to walk through it, and the different chemicals. So we're just going to open up and see what everything looks like inside. Can I see the scissors? Thank you. Shorten myself up. So Jay, do you like to do science experiments?
Yeah.
Are they fun?
Yeah. I like science because you dip chemicals together and stir them around, and I love stirring. And it makes huge explosions.
Sometimes.
It's fun.
I don't think any of these were going to explode. I
Well,
hope not.
They're not going to explode and bubble, I hope.
Okay, so let's see what's inside. Oh, it does say here on the front that you're going to need 2 AA batteries for the black light.
Okay, so we got some blue gloves.
All
Plain
right.
blue gloves.
And this has got yeast and red food dye, and this is going to be for bubbles, bubble solution and bubbles.
Some glasses.
Goggles to protect your eyes.
Protect your eyes.
A little bit of glycerin, which you could always buy more at the store if they love
Little
this.
cup
Experiment.
things.
Ooh, luminescent powder. That's going to give us that glow in the dark.
Little jar to open up, put the chemicals in, and dump.
Our black light.
A little container with some powder in it.
Okay, calcium chloride solution.
The instructions.
hyper granules. I'm not quite sure. Let's see. It's a colored polymer.
How to make stuff. Some other stuff.
Cornstarch.
Stuff. And then the rest is.
It's all cards. So these are pretty heavy duty. They're not. They open up. So they're not just going to be, you know, one little tiny page.
These are all the cards.
And it tells you everything you need.
This is
right?
a little piece of paper.
So this says, before starting an experiment, you always gather your materials. Front page tells you what you need. Be prepared by reading instructions.
Okay. Goggles.
Reading hints.
Check yeast pack. Where's the yeast pack?
Okay. Oh, it's all in here. We're not going to do that right now. All right. So 6 different experiments made very, very friendly. I know there's some people that get terrified of the idea of teaching science to their kids because they don't feel like it's something they're very good at. But kits like this, for the younger kids, it's going to engage them, want them learning more, and it's really made very simple for any parent to sit down and walk through with them. So I highly recommend. And like I said, some of these ingredients, they provide for you so it's all ready to go. But if you decided you loved that particular experiment, you probably have things like cornstarch laying around, glycerin you can find, bubble solution you can find. Some of this stuff would be harder to replace, but some things you could. All right, so that's everything in here for the kit. So, all right, let's see.
You forgot this.
Oh, beaker. We need a beaker.
Yeah, and now we could open that.
All right, so now we're going to look at the last of our STEM related. Create a chain reaction. And this one is going to be a lot of basic physics principles, getting them excited, seeing how things work. All right, here we go. Okay, so this is a starter set, which means you could probably expand. And I do recall, oh, how is this open? Looking at the website, they have one for slightly older. So there's a whole bunch of pieces, huh?
Yeah, there's...
Here, let's take them all right now. A whole bunch of pieces, and I can see down below. What does this look like?
It looks like the instructions of how to build stuff.
Okay.
And this looks cool.
Look at this. How many tracks do they have that you can build?
There's track 1, track 2, track 3, track 4, track 5, track 6.
And it says track 1 is?
Easy. Track 2 is easy, track 3 is medium, track 5 is
and 6
hard.
are hard. So start with the easy.
I'll build the easy one. I want to build
And
the easy one.
voila. Right, let me take a picture first before.
Okay, track 1. First up, we'll need to take all the things out.
Well, it tells you what pieces you need, so let's find which pieces we need.
Okay, but first we need to take...
We need this piece, right?
Yeah. We need this piece. Yeah. These are all the pieces.
Okay, but we don't need all of them, so let's see. We have, this one says goal, so this is a goal box.
Okay, this is the thing. This is the goal.
Alright, we don't need any greens, right?
No, well, we need a green ball.
Well, we have balls, but what do we need? How many of these do we need?
2.
Okay.
2 of those. Wait. This.
Okay, 2 of these.
1 stopper. 1 of these. Just one of the green ones. 1 green ball.
Okay, so we have 2 of those. We need 1 track.
We need 1 track.
Okay, so here's tracks. There's 6 of them total. But for this easy one, we just need 1.
What about the bases? Two bases.
I got 2 bases.
Bases.
Okay, we're not going to need this yet.
2 bases.
And we need
2 risers.
Risers, 2 risers. So this is going to give your elevation.
This is a riser.
Nope, this is a riser.
Okay.
And they come with 4 in the kit.
I need the scissors.
What do we need from here?
1
green stopper.
We don't have a green ball. 1 green ball.
Just a minute, there's a green stopper. We don't need any of this.
We just need 1 green ball.
Actually, we're going to need 2 tracks, aren't we?
No.
Because the next page shows another track.
No, that's the same track.
No, I think it's not.
Yes, it's the same one.
Let's look and see. Alright, so what are you going to do on that first one? Why don't you hold up the card so we can see what it's showing on the card.
Okay, first up. This, and then on top we need our base.
So they're showing how you're going to build.
We need 2 of these, so.
Well, we have 2. We have 2 bases. No, 2 bases.
Yep.
Up on 1. See, look. 1, 2, 1.
No, we should do it on.
But we're following instructions, right?
That means we would need another base.
Nope, because this one doesn't have a base. That one's going to go by itself.
No.
And how do we put this green piece on?
We attach it.
Oh wait, did I get the right one?
Yes, you got the right one.
No, I think I didn't. Let's look and see. Not all green things are the same, are they? Stopper. Here's the stopper. You gotta match it to the picture. I just grabbed something green. It's the downside of not paying attention. You got it?
Got you there. I think that's the stopper.
Okay. So it's hooking right in. Alright.
Okay.
Then we put this here.
The other one
It's going to lie down.
is going to.
See how it overlaps? So they're showing you, we have this part built.
What about this?
And
what
this
is
going to
for?
go
What
right
is this
here.
for?
Whoops, we got to line it up. Right? We got to line the tracks up.
Give me the ball, please. I want to do it. I want to do the first one.
So this shows the entire.
Oh!
Whoa! I think we got a bump in our carpet here.
Oh, no.
So let's see if we play with this. So this has got 2 risers to make it a little bit elevated.
Tricky.
But it doesn't want to jump right into the... So let's keep lining it up. That's just to stop it, right? If it gets all the way there, it's going to tell you it's
stopper.
bad.
It stops you. It's supposed to go like this.
Whoops.
Oh, it's not lined up right. Steady. No, don't line up. Stop. The ball, please. Track 1 is supposed to be easy.
Well, it's easy to build. It doesn't mean it's going to be easy to run. And it worked.
We just had to fix it in the right angle.
So that's something
Let's do track 2.
That's something that's important for teaching kids with science, is that you want them to know that it's not going to necessarily work right the first time. That a lot of scientists' experiments are trial and error in a lot of way, and you might have to do it multiple times to get what you want.